What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Tesla stock. So, guys, tomorrow is the big day. We have Tesla's earnings tomorrow in the post market. Now, Tesla today, well, it gapped lower. We do have a bit of green candle, but that with across the market, we have had some rebounds today. I'll talk more about that in other videos as well when I do QQ and SPY. But Tesla is still net negative. We closed with a green body, but we gapped lower, and you can see we are $5 down from the previous closing day price, right? So Tesla, unfortunately, is a red, and that's what we have been saying, that Tesla is in the bearish downtrend right now. Even today, I'm not seeing any structure to the upside. I talked about in my over the weekend video that as if we lose the level of, let's just give it a second. As we lose this level of 146 and 48 cents around here, marked by indicator, we will come lower, and we have come lower, right? Tesla is finding hard time getting back to the upside, and there is right now, even today, even if we have a green body, I'm not seeing any structure to the upside. I'm going to delete this smaller channel because, as I mentioned earlier, this was just for the time being, but I want to follow the one bigger channel that is at the bottom, the base of that line. So I'm going to get rid of this over here, and we have fallen below that as well. We don't need this on the upper side as well, this one. So tomorrow being the earnings, definitely, guys, it's tomorrow there's a highly likelihood that either it's going to go lower until earnings, or it's going to stay choppy on the side, and then you can't do much during earnings at this point. Wall Street is going to tell you what the new technicals are going to look like of the chart. So tomorrow it will either Tesla will be broken much more. These levels during the earnings time may give some reaction, but if Tesla gaps down tomorrow, there is likelihood that 126, even 117, all these are possibilities if Wall Street doesn't love Tesla and Tesla can gap lower, guys. I want to take this opportunity to buy into my long-term position, but it's not good to see this falling this much, right? Especially before earnings as well. Let's say, for example, if Wall Street loves Tesla, Elon Musk says something that it starts to go up, then it's highly likely that by next day, which is going to be Wednesday, we will get out of this resistance, so which will be above 160. So either through these times, either Tesla is gonna go up again, right? Or, which is, as I say, up again, I mean it's going to go to $160 or so and above, or Tesla is eventually going to go this week to $100. So yes, earnings will earnings can make Tesla now move either down to $100 or closer to $200. Okay. Now, before going further, I want to let you know none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. I'm just sharing my opinion, nothing more than that. All right. So just keep that in mind, guys. Okay. So talking about some near term, as before, even the earnings, if looking to do intraday trading or whatnot, right now there can be a little bit of upside that could be played. I'm not going to put the money into it, well, at least going in tomorrow, that meaning to say that I would wait to trade. Even intraday, sure, it can be traded, no problem with that. My day trading bot can be used as well for that. I think it gave a profitable position today, so actually let's go and take a look at that, what it did. Yeah, I think it would be, here we go. Yeah, still made money today. It's profitable today. You can see that. But again, I'll just use intraday bot as a reference if I'm doing intraday trading. I'm not sure if tomorrow I want to do any intraday trading, but that's just to say that tomorrow I do expect that some choppiness might stay around on Tesla. But at this point, any upside on this would be, if it gets above 20 hours moving average tomorrow, Otherwise, yeah, tomorrow this can come down to 138, and who knows, if it continues to fall and stays below 20 hours moving average, then even by the earnings time, who knows, it will be at 135. So yep, it's apparent that is this bottom of the channel is coming in play. As I said, at this point, better to wait until earnings. We have this level down at 135. If you have access to my indicator, I want to let you know, please update the indicator. I did announce on the channels of my Discord that a new release is out. Some modifications has been done to capture a lot more, not just the levels, but also allow you some flexibility across, depth of the levels that you can adjust. So definitely, if you're a member, just update the indicator if you haven't seen my message yet. And if you are looking to be a member, links to my tools are in the description below, guys. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts, the things that I just showed you as well on my screen. So guys, very simple, nothing complicated. I'm not seeing any other news coming out on Tesla here even before earnings. There has been all the negativity already on this thing. I know analysts have already downgraded everything so on Tesla, right? So yeah, I won't be surprised if Tesla comes down and levels like 135. It's just not going to be 135 if after earnings it falls, okay? If after earnings it falls, we will be coming down to almost $100 because it's going to be a gap down. Gap down may easily bring it to 115, and then the next day it will have a follow through to the downside, in my opinion, if we do a gap down. If we do a gap up, then we will definitely get above 163 or $160, and then Tesla by this end of, because yeah, if we gap up, then Tesla by the end of the week will easily come back up to the $200 range. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's not complicated. It's just right now we are going lower, and tomorrow if we can't capture 20 hours moving average as I showed you an hourly interval, even by earnings we can come down to 135 because Tesla is, yeah, tomorrow choppiness is also possible. So but just work with those levels and that I gave you on the hourly interval. But that's pretty much on Tesla for this video. Let's take a look at just high level QQ. So QQ have an inside candle today. It's fine. It's not bullish yet fully. I'll talk about it in another video, but it's just, so far it's just a little bit of a dead cat bounce, a consolidation, a normal day. I would say this doesn't make it bullish. Yeah, even for rebound, I'll talk about when I do QQQ and SPY video. Even for rebound, there are some levels we have to confirm. I'll talk, as I said, in another video. But right now it's still in the downtrend. So it's SPY, it's just in the downtrend. It's just one candle came, a little bit of a rebound. That's pretty much it. It's not bullish. I'll talk at another video, but yeah, it can continue lower. So that's it for this video, guys. Hoping that Tesla, the earnings comes great tomorrow, or the forward-looking guidance comes great tomorrow. It's just that Elon Musk is not being liked by the market. You will see the articles are framed in a way that it clearly tells you they don't like Elon Musk. So anyways, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.